chapter 2, number and counting. You guys ready? Let's go. 1. Yemre. 2. Yibu. 3. Tabo. 4. Nancy. 5. Nu. 6. Yobe. 7. Yopwe. 8. Ni. 9. We. 10. Piga. Easy, right? Let's continue. 10. Piga. 20. Pisi. 30. Pistan. 40. Pisnansi. 50. Pisnu. 60. Pisiobe. 70. Pisiopwe. 80. Pisni. 90. Piswe. 100. Kwabara. Once you know 1 to 10, the rest become easier. For instance, 11 equals to 10 plus 1. It's like 10 and 1. So pila yembre, 12. 10 and 2, pila yibu, 13, pila tabo. The same rule applies for the remaining numbers. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more. And let me know where you guys are watching me from. Peace and love from Burkina Faso fam. Go get your book now.